Hello, Matt from Drobo, and today I'm going to give you a demo of our Drobo capacity calculator. One of the great benefits of Beyond RAID is our ability to mix and match drives. In a traditional RAID system, when you insert the drives in your system, you're limited to the size of the smallest drive. You're not able to then go and maybe add a larger drive down the road and expand your array. With a Drobo, we don't have this limitation. We can start with smaller drives, and as our data grows, either add additional drives or swap out smaller ones in order to gain more capacity. So as I come over to my dashboard, bring up my B800i, what you'll see is I have a pretty good mix of drives. So I have everywhere from a 250 gig drive up to 1.5 terabytes. The Drobo able to utilize the space on all of these drives because we don't run traditional RAID levels, so we have a lot of flexibility in how we utilize that storage. So if we come over to our capacity calculator, the capacity calculator is linked off of every product page, and it's a great way to not only see how much physical capacity you would get for any given configuration, but it also gives you a little window into our storage world. So here, what I have is I have a B1200i, and I'm going to go ahead and add some drives to it. So let's go ahead and maybe add two 1 terabyte drives. At Drobo, we are redundant storage. So we're going to require at least 2 drives so we can store your data redundantly. So here I could go ahead, still thinly provision my volumes off that, and then grow my data. So maybe I started to run out of capacity. I have 930 gigabytes here. Hit that 85%. I go in, add another 1 terabyte drive. With that, we're going to go ahead and grow the storage by about 1 terabyte. Well, let's say down the road I wanted to add a lot more storage, and I went out and purchased a 4 terabyte drive. Well, with Drobo, while we can use the similar size drives, we can't use the full capacity if we can't store it redundantly. So here you'll see we did gain this large purple area that says reserved for expansion, and that's the data we can't store redundantly. So as long as you add drives in pairs, here I add a second 4 terabyte drive. Now what you can see is I'm utilizing the full capacity. I have 6.35 terabytes. I've grown by that larger 4 terabyte drive, and then I can go ahead and add some more, or maybe got a good deal on some 2 terabyte drives. Same deal, I can add those in. And down the road, if I run out of capacity, maybe 5 or 6 terabyte drives are available on the market. Same thing, I go ahead and swap those into the unit. So with a Drobo, we like to say that you provision the amount of storage you need today and then grow into your storage. It's a feature of Beyond RAID, only available with us, not available in a standard RAID system.